This is to show the install of the USB plug on the John Deere D105, also compatible with many other models listed below, which have the pedestal plug, which you can see right here. That's where the USB is going to go in place of that pedestal plug. The pedestal plug itself pulls out really easily. You can just grab a hold of it and usually just pull it right out. I'll show you, it's just got these two clips on the back, so if you need to put a screwdriver in there, but like you saw, for me, it just pulled out very easily. And we've got the USB unit itself here. You can see there's two halves separated by the SAE plug right here. So we've got the half that is going to connect to the battery terminals, and it's got a fuse there underneath of this cover, and then the half here, which is going to go in place of the pedestal plug right into the pedestal with the USB. How you want to orient this is to have the cap so it opens up, and then the screws here will go to the left. So go ahead and separate, make sure you've only got this half. We're going to feed this through the opening here on the pedestal and make sure that it is pushed secure. With the cover open, you can see our USB unit there on the outside, and then again on the inside. And you can see some wiring coming down from the ignition. You just want to make sure and push that out of the way. You can see the two screws right here. We just want to tighten those just enough so that they protrude out the other side of the plug, and that will keep it from coming back out the opening. The last part is to insert the other half with the fuse to the battery terminals. All right, I've finished connecting the battery cables, tied up the excess cables with the twist tie that came with them originally, and left access to that SAE connector so we can disconnect after each use just to prevent any unnecessary battery drain. All right, so let's go ahead and plug in here. You can see all the specifications for the USB drive in the details. And we have power. Check out my other products available as well, including this replacement for the center steering wheel cap, which doubles as a phone holder. So now that you've got power, you can connect your phone there